How to make money on TikTok Shop. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you make money from your TikTok Shop. So the latest news has just arrived. The sellers, creators, partners and affiliates, brace yourselves. TikTok Shop has finally landed, and if you're not on the board, you're missing out a big time. That's right, now you can make money by selling directly on TikTok through the TikTok Shop, and it's just been launched in the United States, and it's an amazing opportunity for business and creators. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use it and the potential earnings and the best products to sell. If you're looking for all the details and step-by-step instructions to get started with the TikTok Shop, you have come to the right place. So who's ready? Let's dive in. First of all, what exactly is a TikTok Shop? It is a platform that allows businesses and creators to directly sell products on the TikTok, and there are three main ways to do this. First, you can start a shoppable live stream where viewers can tap on the products during your live stream to learn more and make purchases, all without leaving the app. This seamless shopping experience means more impulse buys and quicker decisions from the customers, resulting in more sales for you. The second way is through the shoppable videos, where viewers can tap on the product links to make purchases. And finally, there is the product showcase method, where customers can tap on the shopping bag icon from your profile page to browse and shop the products. Now that we know what TikTok Shop is all about, let's decide together if it's right fit for you. Firstly, how many followers do you need for a TikTok Shop? There is no follower requirement to open a TikTok Shop seller account. That is great news. And is TikTok Shop free? Well, yes and no. It's free to use for the creators, sellers, and buyers with no upfront cost to set up your shop. However, there are transactions and shipping fees to consider. As for how much TikTok Shop pays you, based on my research, TikTok Shop will take a commission of 5%, which can vary depending on the product category. This rate is actually quite competitive, especially when compared to other platforms like Amazon. If you're not a seller yet and you want to set up a TikTok store to link to your TikTok page, and you can head over to Shopify, sign up for an account. Once Shopify store is up and running, you can connect it to TikTok and start selling. I'll leave a link for you to try out for free in the description box below. And if you're finding this video helpful so far, I'd really appreciate if you could hit the like button. Every little bit of the support goes a long way for me and the channel. So now let's talk about how to access the TikTok Shop as a seller. You need to create a TikTok Shop account and have it approved. Here is how you can do that. First, go to the TikTok Seller Center and sign up. Then enter your information, set up your shop's warehouse and business details, link your bank account, and submit your application for review. Once approved, you'll be able to access the TikTok Shop Seller Center and start selling your products. Live shopping has been a huge success in Asia, and now it's making a way to America. If you're wondering how TikTok live shopping works, it's essentially like a shopping channel where sellers and creators can connect with their audience while showcasing their products. As a buyer, you can tap in, engage with the content, and make purchases, and that's really very simple. So what are the best products to sell on TikTok? They need to be visually appealing, easily demonstrated in short videos, unique, innovative, and affordable. Capitalizing on trending products can also give you a significant advantage. If you're interested in drop shipping with TikTok, it's a great opportunity to leverage the TikTok audience and get ahead of your competition. If you want to learn more about drop shipping on TikTok, be sure to do a good research on various platforms. And this is basically on how can you make money on TikTok Shop. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.